Hey guys, are you want to buy best car radiator fans for better cooling? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car radiator fans for better cooling that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at A Premium Electric Radiator Fan. The A Premium Universal Electric Radiator Cooling Fan Kit is an excellent solution for enhancing engine cooling in a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, pickups, RVs, trucks, and trailers. The kit includes a 14-inch fan with 8 curved blades, a thermostat relay, and a mount kit, delivering 12 V power with 90 watts, 2,300 revolutions per minute, and an impressive airflow capacity of 2,250 cubic meters per hour. Designed for pull-type operation, it ensures efficient heat dissipation, protecting the engine and auxiliary components. Made of lightweight, durable plastic, the fan offers excellent OE-level performance with low noise, heat and corrosion resistance, and long-lasting reliability. Multiple fan sizes and mounting feet provide versatile compatibility, though modification may be needed for certain vehicles. Installation requires confirming radiator dimensions, but the adjustable design makes it adaptable. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, this cooling fan kit offers dependable performance and peace of mind for vehicle owners seeking efficient engine cooling. Now our second product is Fgjqefg Electric Radiator Fan. The 12-inch 10-blade 12V80W Radiator Engine Cooling Fan Kit is a high-performance solution for enhancing engine cooling and maintaining optimal vehicle performance. This kit includes 2 fans with mount brackets and tie straps, delivering a maximum airflow of 800 cubic meters per hour and a top RPM of 2,000 plus or minus 10%. With a fan diameter of 12.44 inches and a slim 2.36-inch thickness, it offers excellent clearance in tight engine bays. Constructed with durable, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant materials, the fans ensure long-lasting reliability even under demanding conditions. The reversible design allows flexible use as a puller or pusher, providing versatile cooling for radiators, AC systems, intercoolers, oil systems, and transmissions. Compatibility depends on radiator size, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Easy to install with included brackets and straps, this kit is backed by responsive customer service, ensuring assistance and peace of mind for every purchase. Our third product is JDM Speed Electric Radiator Fan. The 14-inch black electric slim radiator cooling fan kit is a high-performance solution for maintaining optimal engine temperatures in a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, pickups, RVs, trucks, and trailers. The kit includes a 12V90W fan with 8 durable plastic blades, capable of delivering up to 2,550 CFM airflow per fan and a maximum RPM of 2,250, ensuring excellent cooling efficiency. Its slim 2.5-inch design provides ample engine bay clearance, making it ideal as a replacement or upgrade for factory parts. Constructed with heat and corrosion-resistant materials, it guarantees long-lasting durability. The reversible blade design allows use as either a puller or pusher, offering versatile cooling for radiators, AC systems, intercoolers, oil systems, and transmissions. Lightweight yet robust, this fan kit ensures engine stability and efficient heat dissipation while enhancing overall performance. Installation is straightforward, making it a practical and reliable upgrade for virtually any vehicle. Now number 4, Scitoo Radiator Cooling Fan. The radiator fan assemblies for the 2012 to 2017 Chevrolet Sonic are engineered to meet original equipment, OE, standards, delivering reliable performance and durability. Designed, developed, and rigorously tested, these fans ensure high-quality operation comparable to factory units. All components undergo strict inspections to meet the most stringent quality standards, providing confidence in long-term use. Installation is straightforward, matching the size and specifications of the OE part, so no vehicle modifications are required, making it a hassle-free replacement for worn or damaged fans. Buyers should carefully check fitment and package quantity to ensure compatibility with their vehicle. Ideal for maintaining optimal engine temperatures, these radiator fan assemblies support overall engine efficiency and stability. Combining precision engineering with OE-grade reliability, this product offers a dependable solution for Chevrolet Sonic owners seeking a direct fit, high-quality replacement without compromising performance or safety. A practical and trustworthy upgrade for any 2012 to 2017 Sonic. And our last choice is Bettercloud Radiator Cooling Fan. The Bettercloud 90W cooling fan is an upgraded solution for efficient engine cooling, combining powerful performance with quiet operation. Featuring 8 high-efficiency blades, it delivers airflow of greater than or equal to 1,700 CFM at up to 1,900 plus or minus 10% RPM, providing reliable, true-rated cooling power for cars, trucks, SUVs, and ATVs. Its slim 14.88-inch diameter and 2.63-inch thickness make it ideal for tight engine bays, while heat and corrosion-resistant materials ensure durability and long service life. The fan supports dual push/pull functionality, allowing easy switching by reversing wiring and mounting. Pull mode maximizes cooling, and push mode suits confined spaces. Designed for universal fit, it includes mounting brackets and tie straps for quick, hassle-free installation. Users should confirm radiator size and engine bay clearance before purchase to ensure compatibility. With Bettercloud's responsive customer support, this cooling fan is a reliable, versatile, and efficient upgrade for maintaining optimal engine performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.